Combine half a cup of fruit juice with 3 tablespoons of pure gelatin and cook over low heat until fully dissolved. Then spray your mold with nonstick spray and carefully pour your liquid mixture into the mold. Tap the mold gently and then place in the refrigerator for several hours. Once it's had plenty of time to set, you can remove the delicious gummy hearts from the mold. They'll look something like this. And although I've chosen to make my gummy hearts pink, feel free to choose whatever color or colors that you like, according to whatever your heart desires. Then I'm going to fill up my little jar with my gummy hearts. And there we have our delicious, chewy, homemade gummy hearts ready to eat. Now that's yummy. Enjoy!